Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram story video quality bad after upload. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Instagram application. Once you open Instagram application, then you need to click on your profile picture at the right bottom corner. Then you need to click on three bars at the top right corner, and here you need to click on settings. Then you need to click on account, and then you need to click on cellular data use, and then you need to turn on data saver, and then you need to click on high resolution media and click on cellular plus Wi-Fi. Then you need to go back and turn it off, and then you need to upload story again by using your mobile data or using your Wi-Fi. So by following these steps, you can easily fix Instagram story video quality. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.